all came from the stars, zoomed past Saturn, the moon and Mars. Red and shiny, with legs and a face, he crash-landed on Earth in a backyard space. Bollo, Bollo, shiny and round, rolling and running all over town, with arms that wave and legs that race. Bollo's a ball from outer space. He tiptoed into a quiet house, waved at a lamp and a squeaky mouse. Then, meow! A cat gave chase. Bollo zipped off with a funny face. Bollo, Bollo, shiny and red, a spaceball bouncing out of bed, with arms that wave and legs that race. Bollo's a ball from outer space. Into the backyard Bollo ran, tripped on a toy and a watering can. Woof, woof, barked a pup so loud, Bollo jumped up like a rocket cloud. He wandered out into the street, looking down at his tiny feet. "Where am I?" said Bollo, "oh what a place." Then kids ran near with a smile on each face. Look at him go, he's squishy and cute. They chased him down in a big pursuit. Bollo panicked, turned around, and dashed away with a bouncy sound. Bollo, Bollo zooms away fast, back to the stars, gone in a blast. But maybe someday he'll return again, our spacey red ball and silly friend. Bye-bye, Bollo, fly so far, past the moon and every star. We'll watch the sky and wait to see when Bollo comes back to play with me.